welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you click this video, then you're definitely a coffee lover, okay? So me, myself, I love me some coffee. And before we get into the coffee, I want to introduce myself to you. Hello everyone, my name is India and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe so you don't miss out on other great videos and reviews. And if you're returning, welcome back, sis. Welcome back, bro, okay? So, like I said, y'all, this is a coffee review. So, if you watched my last vlog, if you haven't, I will link it so you can watch it. Where you been? Catch up. If you watched my last vlog, I was talking to you guys about my issue with my Keurig machine, okay? That's all I'm gonna give you. If you want to know what the issue is, then go watch the vlog. But anyway, so you guys know what my issue is with my Keurig machine. So I had a company called Javy reach out to me and they wanted me to try their coffee. So I'm like, of course, because one, I love coffee. I'm a definite coffee drinker. And if you're like me, I'm on the go all the time and moving around and all that kind of stuff. So I love to do things that saves me time, that's gonna be quick and easy. And don't get me wrong, my K-Cup machine works perfectly, you know, it's fast, but this is even faster and it tastes so good. So again, the company is called Javy Coffee, what's called Javy, and it's a concentrate. So it's a coffee concentrate and each bottle has the amount of 30 servings. So this is the bottle and I'm gonna show you guys here. So this is the bottle. It is 6 fluid ounces, and this small bottle with 6 fluid ounces will give you 30 servings of coffee. So the recommended amount for you to put inside of your water or your milk or whatever you want to add it to is a tablespoon. It's a teaspoon. So you use 1 teaspoon of this inside of your water, like I said, or your milk or whatever you want to add it to, and you instantly have your coffee. And I'm going to demonstrate in a few seconds so you guys can see. I want you guys to know a little bit of specs about this. So this coffee concentrate has 80 milligrams of caffeine. So if you know a regular cup of coffee usually has anywhere between 80 and 90 milligrams of caffeine. So this should get you up and going. Another thing that I love about this, you can use this hot or cold. So if you like iced coffees, you can use this. But if you like hot coffee, I prefer hot coffee, you can use this as well. So it doesn't even matter if you want it hot or cold, if you want to use water or milk, you can use this concentrate and have your fun with your coffees. I want to show you guys how easy it is to use. So I'm going to show you guys right now. All right, y'all, now here is the demonstration. So I have my water. Like I said, you can use milk, you can use water, you can have it iced, you can have it hot. I prefer my coffee hot, so I have a cup of hot water here, and I am going to open up the concentrate, and it says that you need a teaspoon. So I have my teaspoon here, and I'm gonna pour 1 teaspoon of this concentrate in my water. Look at that, guys. Give it a stir. And it smells so good. It smells like a fresh cup of brewed coffee. I kid you not, you guys. I wish smell-o-vision was a thing so you guys could smell it. It smells so good and fresh. All right, so after I stir it up, I'm going to add all my normal things that I do to my coffee. So I have my sugar here. So I'm going to add me a little sugar. Okay. And we're going to add in some coffee creamer. Right now, my favorite coffee creamer is this brown butter by Coffee Mates. So good. So we're gonna add in, well, let me stir this sugar first. I like to stir my sugar so it can melt in the coffee before I add my creamer, because my creamer's been in the refrigerator. All right, so now we're gonna add in some creamer. All right. And here's the fun part. Time to taste. All right, y'all, so here's the great fun part that we've all been waiting for. I have my cup of coffee here. It took me less than, what, 2 minutes? It took me less than a minute to make it. I think the longest thing will take you is, you know, if you want it hot, of course you have to have your water hot some type of way. I just mute mine in the microwave. If you have a kettle or something like that, you can get your water however you want to. If it's cold, just get some ice, and you can have you a great cup of coffee in less than a minute. Like, it's crazy. So on those days where you're rushing out of the door, or on those times where you don't have a lot of time but you still want your coffee, this concentrate is going to be a game changer for me, y'all. And it tastes good. Let's take a sip. Yes. You cannot tell me I didn't brew a cup of, you can't tell me this didn't come from my K-cup. Like, you can't tell me. Delicious. You guys, you've got to check out Javy. Like, I'm shocked. I've been shocked. I have been drinking this. Of course, I tried it before I made this video just to make sure I liked it first, because I never want to bring something to you guys that I don't actually like or use. This stuff right here, definitely game changer. Like, I clearly just made this cup of coffee. It's delicious. Like, can't stop drinking it. It's good. And the great thing about it is, this is the original flavor here, but they also have other flavors. So I think they have like hazelnut and all those other things. So I'm excited because I like the original, but I'm definitely looking forward to try those other flavors that they have on the website. So you guys, I have exciting news for you because you are my subscribers. I do have a link for you to use, and if you use my link, you will receive 20% off your purchase. Your girl be looking out for you, okay? I'm not just gonna bring y'all something and not give y'all a little something in return, okay? So if you're interested, and like I said, if you are a coffee lover just like I am, or if you're looking for a quicker way to get your coffee in the morning on the go, I would say definitely check Javy Coffee out. And then also just thinking about how awesome this is as far as the waste. You know, when we use our K-cups, that's plastic, we're throwing it away or whatever. This comes in this glass, the container is glass, and you get 30 servings of coffee from this little bitty bottle. So you're saving, you're even helping with the environment. So hands down, Javy Coffee Concentrate. Go get you some, use my link, get your 20% off, and y'all let me know what y'all think, okay? Because I'm not the only one. I can't be the only one. This coffee is good, and I'm about to finish the rest of my coffee, okay? So, I'm going to talk to y'all in the next video. Y'all make sure y'all click that link and get your 20% off, okay? I'll talk to y'all in the next video. See you later. Bye.